All right, let's jump right into today's explainer. With our global food landscape constantly expanding, exotic meats are just popping up absolutely everywhere. Today, we're focusing on a really unique and frankly adorable animal, the alpaca.
Now, if you keep halal, this brings up a pretty fascinating mystery. As these guys become a surprisingly popular food source worldwide, we really have to ask the ultimate question. Does alpaca meat actually fit into Islamic dietary laws?
Well, let's just cut right to the chase here. Based on the Halal Radar assessment, the official verdict is yes. Alpaca meat is completely halal, meaning it is officially permissible to eat. No gray area there. The reasoning behind that verdict is what's truly interesting, though. Contemporary Islamic scholars agree that alpacas are permissible because, well, they're non-predatory herbivores. So they fall right into the exact same categories camels and llamas. They're completely separate from predatory animals, which, as we know, are strictly forbidden.
Looking at the broader market, alpaca meat is actually being sourced from producers all over the globe, spanning places like Peru, Bolivia, Australia, and even the UK. But this wide international distribution leads us to a really important warning for consumers.
Because here is the catch. Just because the animal itself is inherently halal, that alone isn't enough to make it to your dinner table. First off, the alpaca absolutely must be slaughtered under strict Islamic Zabiha guidelines. Second, if you're picking up packaged products, you still have to look for that official halal certification. And finally, you've got to rigorously check any processed versions for hidden non-halal additives. You really have to do your homework.
It's honestly amazing to see how traditional dietary laws can apply so seamlessly to our incredibly modern globalized food choices. So now that you've got the facts and you know the strict rules for preparation, it leaves us with one final thought. Knowing what you know now, would you actually put this niche meat on your plate?